everyone. Quite recently, I realized that we all love to have a beautiful hair, we all love to have a beautiful skin, a healthy body, and a healthy mind. But very few of us, I think almost none of us, are interested in knowing our body type. I quite recently read a book that is Ayurveda, the Science of Self Healing. In this book, I came to know that our body is made up of basically three major constituents. Ayurveda says that our body is of three types. Different bodies have different constituents. On the basis of their constituents, the body is divided into three parts, that is Vat, Pitta, and Kapha. According to those body types, Ayurveda suggests food for all of us. If, for example, almonds will give you a good hair, will necessarily not give the other person the same hair. If amla is good for my skin, will not necessarily give the same result to the other person because of our body constituent. If sour food items are good for one body type, it will be a great poison for different body type. So we actually don't know our body type. Even before reading this book, I also didn't know about my body type. After reading this book, I got an idea about my body type. So if you will pick up this book, the book is Ayurveda, the Science of Self Healing. In this book, there are many tests. There are basically 15 different tests by which we can tell what is our body type. So as I told you that our body is of three types, that is Vat, Pitta, and Kapha. So there are these few tests by which you can easily tell which is your body constituent. There is also a urine test and a blood test, a nerve test also, by which you can tell your body type just by looking the eyes and nose structure. You can tell your body type. Then after that, there are everything suggestions, every possible suggestion for your body type. Here there is this chart which you will see. Yes. So there is this chart which tells the various body type and their food items which the Ayurveda suggests, the parts, the body types which it affects, and its effect on our body. And there are also a series of yogas which are prescribed to particular body type. For example, if I am a Pitta body type, if other person is a Kapha body type, we cannot do the same yoga postures. Okay, different yoga postures are meant for different body constituents. So the moment we see the yoga, we try to incorporate that yoga into our daily routine, but this should not be the case. Firstly, we need to understand our body type, then only we can do certain yoga postures. This book also will tell you the same thing about yogas, that how you can conduct yoga in your day-to-day life according to your body type. It has also some treatments that you can do by your own through the self healing that you can do. It also tells you a lot about the various things that you probably won't give any importance to those things. So I highly recommend you all to read this book at least once. It is written very beautifully in a very simple layman language. So, and it will not also cost you that much. It's just for 200. So if you are really interested in knowing your body type, if you are someone who is very health conscious, who is very picky about the food items and everything, then you should definitely read this book, that is Ayurveda by Vasant Lad.